first I will mark up some support and resistance levels, starting with $14. As you can see, we saw good support in this area recently. Even over here, this was resistance first but converted to support, and we saw this huge bull run. Next support level is at $17. Once again, we saw pump from here, even this place over here. So basically this $14 to $17 range is very important for the NIO stock. Also, this $22 range can act as resistance. As you can see, we have got the purple line showing the 100 moving average. We saw rejection from here 3 times, 1 over here, 2 and then 3. So 3 times rejected from this area. So this is an important number to remember, $22. Also, we can see the price was making a lower low, whereas the RSI was making a higher low over here, giving us a bullish divergence, which gave us the pump from $14 till $23. Now let's take a look at the daily chart. Today also price is trying to bounce from this level of $17. First resistance can be the 50 moving average shown in green color at roughly $20. If price does not hold here, then of course we are going down towards $14. Interesting thing to note over here is the RSI. Whenever it goes below 30, that is the point we see some sort of a pump. Look at this one, look at this, look at this one. So yeah, this is something I will keep my eye on, and as you can see, current RSI is 36. So yeah, little bit scope is available towards the downside. And also we can see the price is making lower low, but the RSI is also making lower low, so no bullish divergence available. Hence there is a strong chance of price moving towards the $14-15 mark. Quickly heading over to the 4-hour chart. Once again we can see price is trying to pump from here, but we got a big wick showing that sellers immediately entered the market, and price is finding a little bit difficult to go up. But in the case it goes up in the short run, we can see again this area 19.5 to $20 is the area we might find strong resistance. So for me personally, maybe I will just wait for the $15 mark and then try to enter into NIO. Once again, you can see markets are extremely volatile. If you're actively trading into the markets, please don't forget proper risk management. Take profit, stop loss, and good luck trading. Thank you.